Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most insane hypercars ever imagined. The 2026 Ferrari F80, a machine that represents the future of performance, design and technology from Ferrari. And trust me, this is not just a car. This is Ferrari pushing beyond limits and redefining what a hypercar can truly be. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F80 looks like it belongs in the next century. The design is aggressive, futuristic, and completely purpose-driven. The front end is extremely low and wide, featuring razor-sharp LED headlights that give it a piercing look, along with massive air intakes that dominate the front fascia. These aren't just for style, they are carefully engineered to maximize airflow, cooling, and aerodynamic efficiency. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into a fighter jet-inspired canopy, giving the car a cockpit feel that immediately sets it apart from anything else on the road. As you move along the sides, the design becomes even more dramatic. Deep aerodynamic channels are carved into the bodywork, allowing air to flow smoothly and reduce drag, while also increasing downforce. The side profile is defined by muscular wheel arches and ultra-lightweight performance wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires that are built to handle extreme speeds. Even the mirrors are replaced with sleek camera systems to enhance aerodynamics, and the use of advanced carbon fiber throughout the body ensures the car remains incredibly light while maintaining structural rigidity. At the rear, the Ferrari F80 becomes even more aggressive, featuring a massive active rear wing that adjusts automatically to optimize downforce at different speeds, a large diffuser that enhances stability, and futuristic LED taillights that give the car a distinctive signature look. Every single element at the back is designed with performance in mind, making it clear that this car is built for speed and precision, not just aesthetics. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Ferrari F80 truly becomes a monster. This hypercar is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering a combined output of over 1,200 horsepower. This puts it in the same league as some of the most extreme hypercars ever created, and possibly even beyond with this level of power. The acceleration is expected to be absolutely insane, going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds, which is faster than most cars can even dream of. But speed isn't everything. Ferrari has always been about delivering an engaging driving experience, and the F80 is expected to take that to a whole new level, with advanced all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and active aerodynamics working together to provide incredible grip and stability. Even at extreme speeds, the suspension system will likely be fully adaptive, adjusting in real time to provide the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on the road or pushing the car to its limits on the track, the braking system is just as impressive, with carbon ceramic brakes that offer incredible stopping power, ensuring that the car can handle the immense speed safely. And thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced engineering, the Ferrari F80 is expected to deliver not just raw power, but also precision and control that make it a true driver's car. Step inside the Ferrari F80, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like it belongs in a Formula One car. The design is minimalistic yet incredibly advanced. With a strong focus on the driver, everything is positioned to ensure maximum control and ease of use. The seats are expected to be lightweight racing buckets, wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber, providing both comfort and support during high-speed driving. The steering wheel is likely to be inspired by Ferrari's Formula One technology, featuring integrated controls that allow the driver to adjust various settings without taking their hands off the wheel. In front of the driver, a fully digital display provides all the essential information, from speed and performance data to navigation and connectivity features. The interface is expected to be clean, intuitive, and highly responsive, ensuring that the driver remains focused on the road at all times. Despite its extreme performance focus, the Ferrari F80 doesn't forget about luxury. The cabin will feature high-quality materials, precise craftsmanship, and attention to detail that Ferrari is known for. Even the smallest elements are designed to enhance the overall experience, making every drive feel special, whether you're on a racetrack or just enjoying a weekend cruise. Now let's talk about the price, because a hypercar like this comes with a serious cost. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to have a starting price of around $3 million, and depending on customization options, that price could go significantly higher. Ferrari is known for offering extensive personalization options, allowing buyers to create a truly unique car, and with limited production numbers, This car is likely to become a collector's item almost instantly. This isn't just a car you buy. It's an investment, a statement, and a piece of automotive history. The exclusivity of the Ferrari F80 makes it even more desirable, as only a select few will ever have the chance to own one. And for those lucky individuals, this car represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury. What makes the Ferrari F80 truly special is not just its incredible specs or futuristic design, but what it represents for the future of Ferrari. This car is a perfect blend of traditional performance and modern technology, combining the emotional power of a combustion engine with the efficiency and instant torque of electric motors. It shows how Ferrari is adapting to the future while staying true to its heritage. Driving the Ferrari F80 would be an unforgettable experience. The sheer acceleration would push you back into your seat. The handling would make you feel completely connected to the road, and the sound, even with hybrid assistance, would still deliver that iconic Ferrari roar. It's the kind of car that transforms every drive into something extraordinary, making you feel like you're part of something bigger. And even when it's not moving, the Ferrari F80 commands attention. Its bold design, aggressive stance, and futuristic presence make it a true showstopper. This is a car that people will gather around, admire, and talk about. It's not just transportation, it's a work of art. In the end, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a hypercar. It's a vision of what the future holds for high-performance vehicles. It combines cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and incredible performance into one extraordinary package. It's a car that pushes boundaries, challenges expectations, and sets new standards for what a hypercar can be. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the Ferrari F80, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing car content, and let me know in the comments what you think about this futuristic hypercar. Would you choose this over other hypercars on the market? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.